Now we need to add text to it. So the first one, I'm going to click Add Text. And I'm going to put my title, which would be Ben Carson by and my name. Save it. Now the cool thing is I can move these slides around, so I want that in the very front. Now on this day, on these, I can add a caption, which would allow me to down here to say like one fact, like Ben was born in sorry, I'm having some spelling, in New York. And then if I save it, it says under the bottom there. I can also do a blank slide with information by hitting text, and I could put like a sentence about John Hopkins, director, 1979 to 2010, or either way, and save my facts. I want to make sure I have at least 5 to 8 facts, so it's important information because it's an overall review. So then I'm going to preview my video, and it's going to generate, and then I will save. And it'll produce, so that way we know exactly what it'll end up being. Make sure this says your name, so that way we know whose it is. And then go over here to finish. And after it's done uploading, it will then let you see the video.